Hello friends,
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
welcome back you all to a new video. My name is Abhishek, you are watching Becoder. So today we will create this sliding sidebar. You can see when we will hover on the sidebar which is having only icons, then the main sidebar will appear from the left side of the screen. So we will see step by step things in this video. So to become a part of this Becoder community, you have to click this subscribe button, and after you will click it, you will feel like
मैं दुनिया हिला दूंगा।
So I have already created the folder, index file, HTML file, CSS file and JavaScript files are there, and I have linked the CSS and JavaScript file also. In the body we will start our coding. So first I am giving a div with class name of sidebar sm and id also sidebar sm, and then I have added a event listener on mouse enter and a function name mouse enter. So mouse enter function we will create in JavaScript file after we will complete the styling and all things. H4 I am writing here. So in the H4 I have given class logo and one SVG I have added from the Bootstrap. So to use the Bootstrap icon you have to search directly Bootstrap 5 icons in the browser, and then the first website you will get, you just click on that one, and here are the list of SVG icons. Whatever the icon you need, you just type in the search bar and click on that. There is simply the SVG code is present, you copy it and you paste it simply in your HTML file. After that I will close this H4, then we will use UL and LI. So after the H4 I am using UL, and inside that LI is there, and inside LI I am using span and again SVG. So from the Bootstrap whatever the icon you need, you just copy the SVG and paste inside the span. So in the similar way we will copy and paste like how many tabs you want in your sidebar. So I need 7 and 8, 7 or 8. I am copying and pasting this LI. So nothing is there, only you have to change the SVG. From the Bootstrap you just select whatever the icon you need and you just paste it inside this span, LI span, and here you can see in the screen we have added. Now we will style the sidebar sm one by one. So in the style.css file, first I am giving asterisk, margin 0, padding 0 and transition 0.2 seconds. Then in the body, height 100, view height, background black, display flex, align item center. Then inside that sidebar sm we have padding, max width, height, background, border radius, border, box shadow, overflow hidden and font family. After that the logo we have given in sidebar sm dot logo. So in that one padding 20, font size, color, margin top 20 pixel, like that we are styling it. After that we will style the li which we have given. So in sidebar sm ul li, padding I am giving 20, display flex, align item center, justify content center and color white, border radius 5 pixel and font family Gill Sans. So like this, in this way it will look after adding the CSS. Then one hover effect also we have to give in the li. Background I am giving like this, transparent and cursor pointer. So now we have styled the sidebar sm. Now we will close this sidebar sm div and we will copy this whole sidebar sm and paste it again below the sidebar sm. We will paste it again, and here what I will do, just I will change the name this sidebar sm to sidebar, and in the id also sidebar. Now you can see there, and I will change this on mouse enter, I will make it on mouse leave. So this is also a event listener. I will create a function also mouse leave, and inside that one the logo which we have given. So after the svg I will add the text logo. So in the main sidebar the text will also be up there, and in the ul li where we have given the span, after the span we will add the text. So only two I am adding right now. Now after styling we will add the text so that it can be visible. So in the sidebar I have just copied and pasted the sidebar sm styling. In the logo, sidebar logo also I am copying and pasting the sidebar sm logo styling. In the li also styling is almost similar, just in sidebar ul li span I am giving margin right 10 pixel, and in the hover also you can see background color, cursor pointer, ladder spacing 1. So everything what was in the sidebar sm, same thing is inside this we are writing. And after completing the, after you copy and paste the styling there, just you have to change the sidebar sm to sidebar, only that much thing you have to do, your styling will be completed. After the span, as I have told you, add the text. So here setting like this I am adding the text. So now we have added all the text, you can see, and our styling part is almost done. Nothing was there. Now we will move to the main part, which is the JavaScript. So here I will create a variable sidebar. So we have given the sidebar ID and sidebar SM. So I'm creating a sidebar and sidebar SM variable, and there document.getElement by ID. And here I am setting sidebar.style.margin left 40 pixel. So the main sidebar which is there, we are setting margin 40 pixel from the JavaScript. And after that I'm creating a mouse enter function. So there I'm checking condition, if sidebar.style.margin left is minus 500 pixel, then set the sidebar.style margin left 40 pixel. So here you can see when I have saved this, then it is automatically it has taken margin 14 from the left side. So when we will take our cursor to the sidebar which is having only icon, then the main sidebar will come from the left side and it will be visible. Now I am creating mouse leave function. So if sidebar.style.margin left is 40 pixel, then it will make the margin left for the sidebar minus 500 pixel. So like this it will work. So here you can see when I am entering in the sidebar which is having only icon, the main sidebar is coming from the left side. Only we are changing the margin left. Margin left 500 means it is going inside the screen. It is there but you cannot see it. So in this way you can create a beautiful sliding sidebar by using HTML, CSS and few lines of JavaScript code. So if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and the source code is available on the GitHub. Link is in the description and comment box. If you have any question that you want to ask with me, then here on the screen I have provided my Telegram chat group QR code. You can scan it and join my BCoder community on Telegram, and also the link of that group will be provided in the description and comment box. You can directly join by clicking on it. Thanks for watching.